guys, it's Jamie from Not Too Shabby. Welcome to day 2 for our sneak peeks for our Box of the Month release on January 1st. The release will be at 9 a.m. Central Time, so I hope to see you there. So we have a very cute paper pad called Somebody Loves Me, and it is super cute, perfect for Valentine's Day or any other spring project. We've got some beautiful pinks in here, like rose gold, very beautiful palette. We have matching ephemera, so you're going to see me lay this all out for you. We'll go through the paper and the ephemera. I'm going to save the project for the hop, so you're going to see the finished project for the hop on the 1st at 9 a.m. So make sure you come back on the 1st to check out all the inspiration from the design team. So this is the card we made yesterday using the stamp set that I revealed. You can click on the link in the description box to watch yesterday's video. That was a really fun card. So how the Box of the Month works is you can purchase it as a one-time purchase on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central. If you head on over to the shop now and purchase a box, you're purchasing the December box, because we do have a few December boxes left. So that is still in stock if you want to grab one. And then if you want to get on the subscription program and want your box sooner, then say you purchase today and today is the December 28th, you won't get your January box till January 28th because it's an every 30 days recurring order. So if you want to change your dates, just email me and I will change that for you. We can change it to January 1st if you want, or whatever date in January. So here's a beautiful page. It's like a tree with like heart leaves. We've got a more subtle heart background in a light pink, and then we've got some umbrellas. Very pretty on a striped background. And we've got a row of bunnies. They're so cute. And then we've got this bunny here. Little Cupid bunnies on here. And they are surrounded by some hearts. And then here's a really pretty pink and light pink striped paper with a beautiful border of clouds and bunnies hanging down from the clouds. Here's another cute one with all those bunnies on a lighter pink background. Here's like a rose gold. Very pretty. And then this beautiful heart simple background. I think these little Cupid bunnies are just so adorable. Love it, so cute. And then this is a very light pink faux glitter. Oh, I love this one with the clouds, with the little hearts hanging down. Isn't that pretty? Here's a tinier one with the bunnies. And a really pretty, like a rose gold. And then I think we start to repeat now. Yep. So you're going to get 2 of each design in this one. You get more designs. So very cute paper pad. And then let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. Okay, we've got some hearts. In different sizes. We've got an envelope. Cute little bunny with an envelope. Here's a key. The cute bunny. That's a Cupid. Here's another Cupid bunny. Really, really cute. Here's another key. Here's a floral cluster with hearts. Look at that cute little guy on the scooter with Happy Mail in the back. Look at these two. Those two are adorable. Here's some flower clusters. Little hearts you can sprinkle around your card. Here's a nice sentiment. Take my heart. Some more flower clusters. Envelopes. Here's another Cupid. Here's another sentiment. Be my Valentine. So you get 2 of each of those sentiments. Some more flower clusters. This one's really cute. There's 2 of those. Really cute. Sitting there thinking about someone. Ooh, maybe he's thinking about this milkshake. And then we've got the 2 drinking a milkshake. Cute little bunny flying away with some balloons. And then another floral cluster and a heart. So super, super cute. So this is going to make for some really adorable cards. I can't wait to share the project with you. Sorry I don't have a project for you today. I am running behind on the videos and it takes a long time to process them. So shorter video today, and hopefully tomorrow I'll have a project for you with the sneak peek. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I hope you have a great day.